Hey, what's going on, guys? Doo-Up here, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment. It is very early in the morning, and well, frankly, I know it's not exactly Friday yet, but I'm triggered right now. And you know I'll post this on Friday, so it'll be the weekly rant. But guys, look at this bullshit. Look at how much snow there is. Why? Why is there so much snow? I'm gonna have to scream a whole lot about this, so I'm gonna go sit in my car and holler because I gotta get off to work. But look at the path I had to make for the dog just to take a big old dumperoo. Oh my God! Look at the inches of snow. Rascal, get your face out of there, Dad. I'm out in the front yard now, right here by the car. I'm about to get in. I gotta go to work in this. This is ridiculous. All right, come on, let's get in the car. One last look around at what's going on with all this fucking snow here at my house. Look at the mountains of snow. Look, you can't even see through the fence at all. Oh my God, look at mountains of snow. Thank God they actually plowed the roads here. Look, look, look. Unbelievable. I had to dig out the mailbox. What a nightmare. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. I've been digging since 3 o'clock. That's right, your old pal Doo-Up is so pissed off. And now that I'm in my car, I can maybe be a little bit more loud about it rather than waking up the fucking neighbors, although I probably don't care because this is ridiculous, man. It is March, the end of March. Not even like the beginning of March. It's like the end of March. We're not talking about the beginning. Talking about the end of March. We're coming up on Easter, man. We're coming up on WrestleMania, and we've got snowstorms totaling 14 inches. Come on, man. I'm looking for blue skies, 62 degrees, wind is down, wearing a tank top. Yeah, that's what Doo-Up's talking about, but instead I am trapped in a winter wonderland of hell. That's right, all I want to do is go outside and play with the coolest dude in diapers in the nice, awesome springtime air, man. He's getting bigger. I can't wait to take him down to the slides and stuff like that and see if he actually wants to go on the swings and I'm so excited for those things, but I can't do it because it's snowing! Stop snowing! God, this is like the third storm within the past 4 weeks of here comes the snow. It's bullshit! Guys, I know there's nothing there's nothing Doo-Up can do to change the weather patterns. Well, I mean, is there? None of you guys are like an X-Men that can control the weather, right? I didn't think so, and neither did Doo-Up, so I know it's nothing we can control, it's just something we have to unfortunately deal with. Mother Nature is a bitch, and if I could, I'd Doo-Up drop the son of a bitch straight through a table. All right, guys, well, let's not end this here. Let's see how bad the snow is elsewhere, so let's get to moving. I told you I gotta go to work, so let's go get a cup of coffee. And we'll see how bad the snow is down the 7-Eleven. Made it down to the 7-Eleven safely. That's right, guys. Roads are terrible. The freeway was really clear, but all these side streets getting on and off the freeway, it was awful. Either way, got to 7-Eleven safely, got myself a cup of coffee. That's what Doo-Up is talking about. I love coffee. Oh, my God. But, besides the point, I'm in this parking lot, and it doesn't look like at all that they got as much snow as Doo-Up got at my house. That's right, it looks a little clearer here, which is bullshit. I'm only 10 miles away and it looks like they got half the fucking snow. Man, all right, well, I gotta get to work. Well, I'm here at work and it's time to get to moving on that. Unfortunately, I really don't want to, especially in this fucking snow, man. What do you guys think? Did you get a bunch of snow at your house? Let me know. Leave it down below. That's right. Leave a bunch of comments. Let me know what you're thinking about this terrible snow. Let me know if you're waiting for spring. Let me know if you're rock solid for warm weather like Doo-Up is. Like I said, I'm sick of this shit. I am done with it. Let me know what you think. But as for now, I gotta get to moving. Like the video, leave the comments. If you haven't done it already, subscribe for some more Doo-Up. Eat it, yeah! I'm home from work, and well, I thought I was gonna end this video, but I got news from Olivia that despite how much Doo-Up hates the damn snow, somebody had a good time in it. Enzo, you gonna come over here and say hi? I heard you had a good time out in the snow. Oh, you did not have a good time? Olivia said she made a vlog. We should check it out. All right, here it is. Olivia and Enzo went out in the snow.
Hey guys, Olivia here. So some of you might have seen my tweet that today is day 2 of snow day. So I don't know if we can see the snow. Oh, it's too bright. Oh, there it is. We got approximately 13.5 inches. So we're gonna go play in the snow. All right, I gotta get just the baby dressed. I'll catch you soon. All right, we are all suited and booted. I am not as prepared as somebody. Are you ready to go outside? All right, here we go. All right, are we ready to go outside? Ready? Here we go. Easy, pup. Oh, there goes dog. Here comes baby. Oh, ready? Oh my goodness. Look at all this. Snow's actively falling. He's eating the snow. Oh my God. Careful, careful, don't slip. Don't fall, don't fall. Careful, pup, get out of the way. Oh my God. Oh. You want to go in? Go ahead. Oh, you poor thing. You want me to put you in? Ready? We're just going to lift the baby up and... Wow. Go ahead, chicken. Are you going to try to walk in it? Oh my goodness, you got snow on your foot. Go ahead, you can do it. Are you trying to walk? Ready? Come on. You could do it. Oh no, you could do it. You could do it. Go, chicken, go. Oh. You're having the time of your life, jumping around. What about it, baby? Are you having fun? No. You got snow on your hand. Oh, clean it up. You don't want to be chilly, baby. Look how much snow there is. Come on. Can you do it? Oh. Can you walk? Papa, what are you doing? Papa, you're gonna get chilly. Come here, come get me. Here comes dog. Oh, look at dog, he's so silly. Look how much snow goes all the way up to his belly. Oh, big steps. Big steps. Oh, there goes dog. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so hard to walk when you're such a little baby. But you're shivering. You're freezing. You poor thing. Stop hopping through snow like some sort of snow bunny. Are you all done? Are you looking to go inside? Careful, don't let dog knock you over. Pup, you have to wait your turn. Baby's going first. Don't do it, pup. Come on, pup. Oh, dog loves it. Want to go play in the snow with dog? Uh-oh, snow's falling off the roof. Oh, now we're going back down. Up, down, up, down. We're all going to be soaking wet and freezing. Oh no, what happened? Did you fall? It was icy? No, here, let's stand back up. All right, there we go. Be careful. It's a good thing there's all this snow here so you didn't fall off the ramp. There goes Stupid the dog. What are you doing, Papa? Papa! Oh! So much snow for one tiny dog. What? Do you want to jump in the snow? Go ahead, ready? You got it! Go ahead, go play in that big snow mountain. You can do it. Go ahead, big steps. Big steps. Do you need help? Dog's eating snowballs. Freezing wet. Here we go. I didn't record it, but stupid the dog came flying up this ramp. I don't know what he did, but he came in sideways. Are you having fun? Are you having fun just walking up the ramp? Oh, dog kisses! Dog! Oh, you're fine. Ready? Mommy's gonna throw you in the snow. Ready, chicken? Oh, what happened? Did you get it on your tongue? Where's that little tongue? Uh-oh, careful, pup. What's the matter? You're so cold, puppy. Jump! Jump, Papa, jump! Oh, he's shaking. Oh, Papa, is it too cold to be a dog? Get him, pup! What's the matter? Did you like playing outside? Yeah, you like the snow?
Dude, you had an amazing time out there. Oh, don't slap me. I'll be slapping you because you're disrespecting me. All right, guys. Well, that's about all the time that we really do have for today. So I'm pissed about the snow, even though those two idiots went outside and had a good time in it. So I'm out of here for real this time. Ain't that right, Doug? Woof, woof. Like the video. Leave those comments if you haven't done it already. Subscribe for some more, Doug. Woof.